If you can spare just $10 a day, you could be sitting on millions. And no, this isn't some lottery scheme, crypto gamble, or get rich quick trick. It's the power of one simple force that works 24/7, even while you sleep. Compound interest. Today, I'll show you exactly how this works, where to invest, and how to set it up in minutes, even if you're starting from zero. For the past 10 years, I've helped beginners turn small savings into serious wealth. And the one thing I've seen over and over is that people underestimate the power of small, consistent amounts. They think they need a huge paycheck to get ahead, but the truth is, it's not about how much you start with, it's about starting early and letting time do the heavy lifting. So, what is compound interest? In simple terms, it's interest on your interest. Imagine you plant a tiny tree. In the first year, it grows a few leaves. The next year, those leaves also grow more leaves, and it keeps multiplying. Over time, you've got a forest. Now, compare that to simple interest, where only your original seed grows, but your leaves just sit there. With compound interest, every leaf you grow starts working for you. The $10 a day millionaire plan. Let's do the math. $10 a day is $300 a month, or $3,650 a year. If you invest that into something earning an average of 10% a year, like the S&P 500 has historically done, here's what happens. After 10 years right pointing arrow around $63,000. After 20 years right pointing arrow around $229,000. After 30 years right pointing arrow around $662,000. After 40 years right pointing arrow over $1,900,000. That's right. Just $10 a day, over time, could make you a millionaire. And if you start earlier, the results are even crazier. Let's talk about where to invest for compound interest. Here's where most beginners get stuck. They save the money, but leave it in a bank account earning next to nothing. That's like planting seeds on concrete. If you want compound interest to work, you have to put your money where it can grow. Beginner-friendly options are 1. Index funds or ETFs. Example, S&P 500 Index Fund. Low fees, high long-term returns. 2. Dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs. Every dividend you earn is reinvested automatically. 3. High-yield savings accounts, safer, but slower growth. Good for short-term goals. If you're starting out, a low-cost index fund is a great choice. You don't have to pick individual stocks, and your money is instantly spread across hundreds of companies. What is the step-by-step implementation of the above-listed options? Okay, let's make this actionable. Here's exactly how you can start your $10 a day millionaire plan today. 1. Open a brokerage account, Fidelity, Vanguard, or an app like Robinhood or eToro. 2. Set up automatic deposits, $300 per month from your bank account. 3. Choose a low-cost index fund or ETF, like VU or SPY. 4. Turn on dividend reinvestment, so interest compounds automatically. 5. Leave it alone. Resist the urge to constantly check or withdraw. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are the biggest traps that can kill your millionaire dream. Withdrawing too early and breaking the compounding chain. Chasing high-risk, hot investments. Skipping months and losing momentum. Paying high fees that eat into returns. Here's the truth. You don't need to be rich to start. But if you don't start, you may never be rich. $10 a day may seem small now, but given enough time, it can turn into life-changing money. So, take the first step today. Future you will thank you. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your savings goal in the comments. Let's build this millionaire community together.